I wake up early and get up, while Yoli continues to grab her beauty sleep. Isn't she cute when she's sleeping? I pull the privacy curtain closed and begin the most sacred of early morning camping rituals, the brewing of the magic black elixir. Not such a sunny morning after all. The morning started out with cloud-covered skies, while the campground was quiet and beautiful. I decided to explore the trail we were planning on taking later that morning. And while I'm waiting for Yoli to get out of bed, I have to walk the trail and have my second cup of coffee. Oh, it's such a rough life. It's just so hard walking through the forest early in the morning. Finally, Yoli is up and about, so I start breakfast. Good, Yoli.
It's delicious. clouds.
Yeah, it was mostly cloudy this morning.
Really?
Yeah. The call was partly sunny, so.
Oh. Well, that's a lot nicer than that.
Well, boys and girls, I call this Mexican breakfast. Tortillas, eggs, spinach, cheese, avocado, and onion. Get back over here. What do you think you're doing, young lady?
I'm messing.
Look at that. The trail to the lake is especially beautiful. Camper Magazine! Woo! Bit cloudy today. We don't have the vivid colors. The sun's coming out. Yay! Oh.
Yay. Yay.
Oh, look at that.
Rocky, anchor! Nope.
They're Swiss Mountain Gophers. They
There
got a
we
really
go.
good demeanor.
Oh, boy, I think that's the
Very
food over here
friendly.
somewhere. Can you find it?
Oh, look at that. You're going to be on YouTube. You're going to be famous. You're going to be famous. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay, what are your doggies' names?
This is Anchor,
Anchor. You okay?
and that is Rocky.
Rocky. Hi, Rocky. And the breed is
Greater Swiss Mountain Dog.
greater than what?
Greater than all of them. Actually, they are the Greater Swiss Mountain Dog because they are the biggest of the Sennenhounds or the Mountain Dogs.
How old is Anchor?
Anchor's 8 months.
8 months. Look at the size of those feet. 8 months old and feet the size of a horse.
Yes.
Okay, this is a new trail. This is a trail we haven't been on yet. This is a trail with power poles. Ooh. I think I watch where I'm going, huh? Oh, look, I can watch where I'm going and still be on camera. Apparently, I don't have to look at the camera to be on camera. Here's our site. Here's the site that we were supposed to get. Right here. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's definitely more level, but it's much smaller. We're going to set up right here. These are the only 4 water and electric sites in this entire campground. here right now, and we're walking back to our campsite, which is right there. So that's where we're camped.
Cheddar bunnies? I've never seen cheddar bunnies before. Certified organic.
Annie's.
Homegrown? How do they grow cheddar bunnies?
They grow cheddar bunnies on a farm. Somewhere it says run with bunnies, not scissors.
Okay.
That's not the reason I brought it. It's supposed to be really cheddary, really cheesy. Mmm.
Oh, look at that little bunny. I feel bad eating bunnies, though.
But they're cheddar bunnies. They're made for eating. It fulfills their destiny at the highest level to be
They really
consumed
look like
by a higher
bunnies.
life form.
Probably something silly.
You think? Don't look.
What's going on over there?
Don't look. Tuck Camper Magazine! Woohoo! It's running with bunnies! Truck Camper Magazine runs with bunnies.
About eating bunnies.
They're not real bunnies.
I eat animal crackers.
Yeah. No animals were harmed in the making of these bunnies. These are not real bunnies.
Oh, they're cute.
Look, Joey. They're playing. Oh, look, they're kissing.
They're so weird.
Oh, such a hard life. Camping in the woods. Just roughing it. Just like the pioneers.
I don't think so.
They didn't have 4K. They only had standard definition. You know, if you take a nap this afternoon, you're not going to sleep tonight.
That's true.
We're going to download all our footage outside here this afternoon, get it out of the way, and then tonight go in and watch a movie early and go to sleep early.
So, since we're leaving tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
should we put all the chairs and
Yep.
tables away tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And pack up everything. Dabba dabba do. Got a little burnt on the bottom. Not much because you want radiant on.
Mine's not burnt.
So tasty.
Spanish rice with tomatoes and salmon. Good combination. We have it often on our travels. If you watched our videos, you would have seen it. So now you give me a shot now.